All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, 2019 Hyundai 2.0. Wonderful, wonderful vehicle. Vehicle was towed in. Gentleman got gas. Left his gas cap open. Given the color of the fuel, and yes, that's the fuel. That's not the rag. We thought maybe that the gas wasn't burning. We did run a compression test on the engine. We had 110 to 115 pounds of compression on the engine. We had spark. We were getting fuel. All the spark plugs were wet though, so we were leaning towards bad gas. We went ahead and flushed the system, got fresh gas in it. Still no start. Vehicle would not start on starting fluid. We did have a camshaft solenoid code, but given that we had 110 psi of compression, we kind of ruled that out in the beginning. We ran through everything, could not find anything else, so we went ahead and pulled the valve cover, brought the engine up on top dead center. The timing chain had not jumped, the camshafts, the timing marks all lined up. So I went one better. Everything was moving, everything was looking. Came in here with a wrench, and we have a solid connection here on the intake camshaft. Come back here to the exhaust camshaft, and we are moving the camshaft without moving the gear. We obviously have some kind of a problem here in the gear to camshaft. Not quite sure what's going on. Vehicle does have 95,000 miles on it, so this should be covered under the 100,000 mile powertrain warranty.